came to Bangalore after a long time. In fact, the last 1.5 years have been very difficult for all of us. And excepting for the most essential travel, I think all of us have been traveling very sparingly. This is, you might say, almost the first discretionary visit, something where again I have come where I wanted to come. And I thought that it's best to make it Bangalore. And that is for a number of reasons. First of all, I think if we look at the future of India, this is a city that is making the future of India. Second, it is the headquarters for Vijaya Bank, which is now a very important and a critical part of the Bank of Baroda franchise. Third, it's only in the last, I think the day before yesterday, that we had the foundation day of Vijaya Bank. It was founded on the Vijaya Dashmi Day, and therefore I thought that this is possibly, it's very important that I should come. First of all, acknowledge all our customers who have been such loyal customers of both Vijaya Bank and Bank of Baroda through all these years, and also to request all of you to help build the Bank of Baroda of the future. I would begin by again extending my thanks to all our customers who are here, because that is there that who make the bank, and then our valuable customers, including Mr. Harish, Deputy Director, Bandhaghata National Park, Mr. Manjunath Bhatt, DGM Finance of Bescom, Mr. Satish Kurup of the CFO of Lulu Mall, and in fact every customer who has come today to be with us. We have lived through, as Ms. Mag mentioned, very difficult times over the last 1.5 years. We have all to be very careful, make sure that we keep our businesses running, but at the same time, make sure that we survive for tomorrow, which is going to be better. And it is very satisfying that all of us together have come out of this crisis stronger. And I'm sure all of your businesses will thrive in the times to come. In order that all of us benefit from what is going to be a big boom in the economy together, it's important that banks reach out to customers, understand their requirements, and actually don't wait for them to come to the bank. Which is why when I thought that I would come and visit our headquarters here in Bangalore, the best way to start this visit was to make sure that I can at least meet some of our customers. And the customers that I've met today, whether it is entrepreneurs who make garments, people who have dairy business, people who have an agriculture business, I think the entire broad spectrum that we see here really embodies the vibrant economy of which we are part. And at Bank of Baroda, we are trying to make sure that we change ourselves to become more relevant to you. So one of the initiatives that Mr. Naik talked of is the Bulk World initiative. I'm not sure how many of you visit branches as often as you used to, probably not too many, because so much of what we can do is now possible through the mobile phone. Which is why we have launched the Bulk World initiative, which is basically a super app on your phone, where you can do almost everything on your phone, excepting possibly operating your locker. And I think that is the world into which we must change and transform. Most of the things that we would want to do would be on the phone, but then there will always be requirements to interact with branches, and those branches will therefore become almost facilitators, making sure that if you have any difficulty, if you need any clarification, if there are any specialized services, they can do that. But in terms of day-to-day services, increasingly they'll be done through your mobile phone. So the bank that we are building is also based upon that the mobile phone is going to be the center of our world. Mobile phone is how we will be doing almost all normal routine business, and branches must have the special skills, the special knowledge to help customers who actually might need any help, which is out of the normal course of business. The second thing, which again is very important for us, is to see how we can take credit to our customers. In fact, if we are looking at a growing economy, if you're looking at a 5 trillion economy, I think the answer to that lies in just these 2 or 3 things that we've spoken of. One is our entrepreneurs who bring all the ideas, all the energy, and who take all the risks. Number two is finance. That is something that is risk capital, which banks must be willing to lend. And third, again, is digitization that will pervade all businesses. If the bank can be prepared to work on these three strong pillars, A, to make sure that you go out to your customers and understand their requirements, not wait for them to come to you. Two, again, make sure that your business is capable of interacting with their business on a digital scale. And of course, last of all, to make sure that it is all sustainable, which is where I think we are so proud to have Banarhat National Park as, again, a client, a customer, and a partner. Because tomorrow's world, of course, will be based on entrepreneurship and business, but it also must be sustainable. And that's where I think it's very important to make sure that our environment, and again, Bangalore is such a fine example. That is, it's surrounded by such beautiful countryside, but we have challenges in our own city. So if we can make success of the bank in Bangalore, if we can make a success of our partnership in Bangalore, if we can make it a sustainable city, I think we have gone a long way in terms of making sure that we have a sustainable India. So thank you very much. I'm really grateful for the trouble you have taken to come. I hope you remain partners in progress. Please again reach out to my office if there's anything where you believe that the bank can do more. I think the only way we can progress is when we keep on interacting, we benefit from your ideas and change the way we work based upon your feedback. So thanks once again and good luck to everybody. Thank you. In Bangalore, the city which is going to be tomorrow's India, Bank of Baroda is trying to make sure that we can connect with the customers of Bangalore, not only because we wish to serve them, but because we can learn from them tomorrow's practices, tomorrow's businesses. And I'm sure that in the times to come, Bank of Baroda is going to be a vibrant presence in the city. It will benefit both itself and the customers in being so. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Bank of Baroda, for giving me this loan, which will help me to increase our business, what I have been dreaming for. Thank you.
A great occasion conducted by the Bank of Baroda team to have an interaction with the customers. It's really great to see the customers coming over for these programs, especially the big customers who have sought for the lending from Bank of Baroda. It's really great that Managing Director and CEO and Executive Director of the banks has come forward to the southern region and meet the customers. It will help us to boost the industry business as a whole because of from the COVID scenario. So it will help us a lot to recover from the COVID scenario impact in the industry. Thanks a lot for the Bank of Baroda team. Thank you.
ಗುಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ ವಿಜಯ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅಂತ, ಮಾರಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಪ್ರೈಟ್ರ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಸೊ ಈ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಬರೋಡ ನಮಗೆ ಓಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಗೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಟು ಅಸ್.